Welcome back to the channel. I'm Floyd and you're watching Green Valley Outdoors. So today what I've got in store for you, I've been set a challenge by Sticks Outdoors. It's a bench that is a self-supporting bench. It seemed pretty straightforward, but then it's interlocking all the bits. If one bit doesn't interlock, it'll just collapse. So we're gonna have a bit of fun doing that. Also, I've been sent some Biltong by my Cornish friends who's got their own Biltong company going at the moment for a protein. I'll show you a bit on that in a minute. But first things first, just got down to the woods, so I'm going to get the kettle on and I'm going to get a cup of tea. Tactical pink lighter, fire lighters, cheating this week, saving all my bushcraft powers to the bushcraft show next week. For those of you who know. Right, for you meat lovers, I've had a friend who sent me out a couple of backpacks of biltong. Now I love biltong, I've always loved it. He's got his own company, it's called Rip Beef. And you're gonna have a check him out. I'll put the link below to his Facebook group or Facebook profile. It's based down in Cornwall, homegrown grass-fed beef, and it's high in protein with healthy fats. It even states it on the pack, so it's got to be the truth. Now I've had a pack of this already, absolutely stunning. Definitely go and check them out if you're into your meats, especially your biltongs. This guy's worth a try. So let's talk a bit of what I'm doing today. Now, Sticks Outdoors set a challenge after my pot hanging hook challenge, which he conquered. I'll put the link below to that video, because in that video is also another challenge which he's put back out there to the bushcraft community. So he's done a bench that is self-supporting. So what I mean by that is made from obviously 4 legs, then it's got 2 supports, 2 notches in each leg, and basically it all comes together and it bridges together like that. Now, excuse me, I'm gonna have a go at doing that today. A few people have failed, but I've got the gist of it. I'm either going to come out of here laughing, happy, or crying. We'll see. Right there. I did cheat. I used a chainsaw, but it's just to cut these to size. So I've got 4 legs. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, and for my bench support itself, I've got 3 of these in total. They're probably about 3 to 4 foot. Not really going to go into that too much. So my next steps I need to do then is I need to cut a number 7 notch, so backward number 7 notch. So the straight edge will be up here, then so theoretically be like that. I hope that's all in, because I'm looking at this and not you look at the camera. So I'll saw in straight, then I'll cut into it, so we've got like a notch. This will become more apparent. I need to do this to all 4 legs, and then we need to measure off and do it the opposite side, the opposite way. That'll come more apparent in a minute. So let me do that to all 4 legs and I'll bring you back. going to go around about halfway in. Don't want to go too far. So I'll cut like that, then I'll get the axe. I'm just chucking my tools on the floor here. And then I can either saw that back or just cut back nice and carefully, just chipping away. Being careful of that, because you don't want to too hard, you smash through that, you're going to get rid of that lip. That lip is something you need, which become more apparent in a minute, for support. What I could do with a smaller axe. And a sharper axe. But there you go, you have the gist of what I'm trying to achieve there. So I'll do that to the rest of them, and then I'll bring you back. So I have my 4 legs like that. Note, they're around about the similar length throughout, from top to bottom. The notches are in the same places. So here comes the science. So this time we need to measure our stick, because that's going to go that way with a stick supporting it up, and then when you come this way, I'm going to do this on the camera. So just say that's my, you don't want to go too far. So I'll show you from behind. I'm hoping that's showing you. So that'll be there supporting, and then I'll probably do my other notch. Around about there. If I cut the 7 there, so that notch there, go in and come up, if that makes sense. I'll show you now. It's so humid, become overcast. I can hear a storm in the distance, so I need to get a haste on with this. So what I've done, not very neat. I need to sharpen this axe up, but I did the best I could. But you know, that come more, you know what I'm trying to achieve there with all 4 legs. Okay, so number 7 notches, Coolio and Brutus. And now what we need is the stopper sticks, so that'll clamp into the notch and into my bench slats, or in my case thin logs, saplings, to support it. So that'd be the stopper, and it'll all come together and it'll hold. I'll bring you back now. The moment of truth. So theoretically it should work. Statistically, we'll see. We'll see how the practical goes now. So let's get my straights. Apologise about the long grass. Right, put you that end. So I have created, I've lost them. Right, for now I only need 2 anyway. Created these, okay? I'll do it, and then I shall show you in I shall show you close up of what I was meaning to achieve, if I do achieve. I'm gonna have to do the notches a bit more deeper, he says. Yeah. I don't know. So, we're on for a win. Let's try that side. I need to find my other stick though. I'm on it massively. Now, if I lift this up, don't muck about, mate. This is a little bit fiddly, I'm not going to lie. Another go. What, why? What, boring? See if it's still filming. Brain switched it off last time. To be continued. The storm's in. That's why I'm not playing anymore. Otherwise I would have finished it. Failed. Last go. I've now squared off the edges of both ends Hoping that'll have more of a bite. He's defeated. Defeated. Ah. Which one was that? That one? Why can't I do it anymore? Right, last go now. I've cable tied these together. Definitely not work this time. It's definitely a fail this time. Okay, I'm walking away. I'm drenched. I feel like crying. Don't start, mate. So I've squared off these pegs, these supports a bit more. I've not gone in anymore. I've just leveled these legs off. I thought they were level. I'm not saying that is the issue. I'm not saying it's going to hold. And I put a cable tie in there to hold those three together. We shall see. Oh. Just wants to bend. Why does it want to do that? It's still recording, isn't it? Yeah. You want to get down as well, don't you? This is it. This is it. I'm not buggering about anymore. I've fucking done it. There. So close. So close to giving up. That, my friend, minus the cable ties, is a pass. Thank you so much for that challenge. I'll bring you back in a minute. Right. That is a wrap. Sticks, thank you so much for the challenge. That definitely tested me. Patience wise, not bushcraft skills, but patience for definite. I felt like running out of the woods crying, honestly. I was crying behind the camera, but especially when the rain came in, it just washed my tears away. You just couldn't tell. If you guys are watching this, if you can see where I went wrong, please comment below and say, here fatty, this is what you should have done, and I'll see if I've got the patience to ever try it again, because right now I don't even want to look at it. It's still standing and I don't want to go over there. I don't want to set eyes on it ever again. It's such an emotional ride for me. To that end, thank you Sticks Outdoors for the challenge. I'll put the link below to not only Sticks' channel, but to the video showing you his version of the self-supporting bench that I've tried to recreate. Also, again, if you guys are going to the Bushcraft show, comment below. If you see me there, please come over and say hello. It'd be fantastic to actually physically meet some of you, if not all of you, that will be there. Also, don't forget to check out my friend on the ripped beef, Biltong. Fantastic stuff. He uses it for muscle food. He's got his own gym as well. All homemade on UK soil, born and bred in Kerno itself. I got mine 2 days. Within 2 days, mine came. When he said he was delivering. And he's got a busy schedule running the gym, so hats off to him for that. Thank you, Jay, for sending me out that Biltong. It was lovely. To that end, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for wasting your time on me, my fatness, in the rain, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Oh, shiny. Also, just a reminder, I have currently got my 750 subscriber giveaway. Still got time to enter that. I'll put the link below for the video to that, for the T's and C's if you're interested. It's last I think it's the Friday the 31st of May. I'll put the date here. If I'm wrong or if I'm right, the date will be here. The day I'm calling out the winner. The day I call out the winner is the day it ends. So Friday, do not enter. On that Friday, the last Friday of May, do not enter. That's when I'm calling out the winner. Okay, link below. In it to win it. It's a £20 camping voucher of your choice. Catch you at the Bushcraft show, and I'll catch you at the next one.